Okay, so welcome back. This is CryptoPhil. BFG community, BFG actually, not the community, the token itself, they're giving away 20 million bucks, and that is crazy. Let's find out how we can get airdrop for 20 million bucks. That is a big airdrop. All right, so just about 3 weeks ago, I did a video for BFG token, okay? And that was exactly around, and the price was around 001820. It was around May, right here, somewhere. I did a video, and here you will see, there we go, BFG token review, and I did a full review of the token. Go and watch that video if you want to get more information. And the good stuff was because the price was 0020 somewhere, and the price is already 30% up. If you go back to max, you will see that the price skyrocketed and went all the way up to 3, so it's only a little bit pulled back, and now it's sitting nice around 225, 002527, so it's keeping very strong. Now, what is like BFG? So again, this video is, so I'm mentioning only the airdrop. They have some games and all the stuff, and what's mean, just please understand that nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. This video is for airdrops, and also make sure you never ever put more money you can afford to lose, because it's crypto and everything is high risk. So how you can get the airdrops, how you can get inside. So they always, usually for every airdrop, there are a few things you need to do. You know, you can go share with your friends, you need to follow them on Twitter, and there are a few steps you can do, but also they have a bot, and the bot, it was right here. All right, so if you go to the bot, you will see BFG, BetFury Crypto Drop. So it's a bot, you can go and play around. You can go there, how to earn, community, friends, need a help, ask him everything you want. There are few quests you need to do, some games you can play, and you can earn tokens, and then they'll airdrop the money. All right, so when, I think will be Q3 or Q4 of this year, that's as I can see. Now, this is the website, all right? This is the website, but let's go and get some more information. Now, right here, when you go to the website, by the way, if you want to use my link, thank you so much. If not, that's fine, no worries. Just go and find to the BFG token, go there, this is the website. Make sure maybe you will need some VPN. Also, the good stuff, that token, it's on Binance Chain. If you want to get the token, not financial advice, you can go to BuySwap or PancakeSwap, easy as that. And the trading volume is not bad at all. Okay, so if you go to the BetFury, and if you go right here for the airdrop, join the crypto drop, they call it, you'll come to this website, and here is everything is explained. And I'll show you just the video now for 30 minutes. Let's just watch. It's only 30 seconds.
Set off on an exciting space adventure with BetFury. Pass social, gaming, earn, and trading quests. Spin wheels to win boosted prizes.
I hope you can hear.
Is in the Super Spin. Play the unique Fury game to collect game points and BFG. Farm crypto daily and boost your claim. Invite friends, create your own community, and win epic rewards. Hurry to join the crypto drop and earn real crypto.
So that was the video, and you can see there are different ways and things what you need to do so you can earn. What I like about here, if you go right here, you can earn up to 150% for staking, okay? And I mentioned that on my last video. So crypto staking, BFG staking, also you can stake the token, you can earn up to 30% and even more. It depends, go and check that out. Check my last video and I explain everything. Also crypto staking, you can go there and stake, and you will see like you can earn a passive income. Look, Notcoin up to 150%, USDT up to 130%, and we have TON token 140%. And that is crazy, guys, that is crazy. All right, and here you will see like USDC, BTC, Ethereum, BNB, Tron, RETH, STETH. So go and check out like what you need to do, and so on and so on. Okay, so let's go back to how to win. So here you can see about the BetFury platform. Here it says join to 20,000 million crypto drop. End of mining and rewards drop, you will see Q3 and Q4. So pretty much we have good few months time, so we can go and do the hunting for the airdrops, to earn the airdrops. And here you will see that they partner with BuySwap, Crypto News, Technopedia, and Bitcoin.com. just a little bit more statistic, they have 2.3 million total players, or around 8 million total wagers, 48.9 million bonuses paid, and 122 million staking payouts. Okay, and for the token here you have all the information. You have 5 trillion or million, I don't even know what's that number, but the total supply, that's the max supply, total supply 3.3 million. The circulation supply is only 1.5 billion or trillion, and total BFG stake, it's huge number. Okay, and total BFG locked and stake, we have 56%. And you know what's the best stuff? That the last time they burned, because they're burning all the time, the total their 33% burn from the token total supply. Here you will see like what is Bat Fury crypto drop. Okay, you can go here and you can learn more information, and if you press there you will see that is the Bat Fury crypto drop. That is the Telegram bot, what you need to play the game and do some tasks. And here you can see farm BFG, get up to 96,000 BFG daily. Okay, level up in BFG farm to increase your crypto earnings, complete quest and gather more wagers points for future level progress. Okay, so if you want to build up app, okay, here you can so you have quest number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for each quest you're getting more and more and more points, and that means you're earning more tokens. And this is pretty much for every airdrop right now, and this is one of the best way to do marketing, because you don't need to go and invest, you just need to go and do some tasks. And again, if you want to go there, feel free to use my link, because I'm going to get a couple of probably points, and also you will share your link with your friends. Here you will see pass social, gaming, earn and trading quests. Choose which quest to pass according to your test. Play Fure game. Okay, so this is the Fure game right there where you can play and you can earn some tokens. Spin the wheel. Okay, refer friends and earn. Okay, and also create squad, but this is coming very soon. Okay, so right here everything is explained. I like this cow, by the way, getting the real job to win real crypto. Okay, so that's very interesting. If you have any question, hit them in their Telegram, in their Twitter, in their Discord, wherever social media they're using, or also leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you think, or are you going to go and get some of the airdrop, or you just stay on the side. And pretty much that's about it. Again, for me, the good stuff here is that the token is pretty much all-time high. If you see, the token has been out for what? For maybe 2 years. So it was around from September 4, 2021. So we talk about 3 good years. It was 0.03, dropped down to 0.012, and now it's pretty much back to all-time high, and it's keeping there for already what? So we're talking about 10, 12, so 2 weeks it's keeping around good price, so that's very good. And this skyrocket from the price for like 40, 50, so 100%, it's happened because of the burning of the tokens, and also that team locked huge amount of their token. Wherever the team get allocated back, you know, given to them for unlocked tokens, they lock them back for the 4 years, and that's why to show like how trusted they are for this project and how they want to build up in the future. Alright, so that's about it. I will leave the link down in the description if you want to use it. Thank you so much. If not, that's still okay. Love you all, and I should see you in the next one. Goodbye.